Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Kodi buffering issues. So first, launch your web browser and go to cloudwards.net, and then on the top, search for Kodi buffering. Wait for it to load, and then click the first link. So in this article, you will see 5 methods in order to fix this issue. So here, scroll down until you see the steps. So first up, increasing your Kodi cache memory size might help stop the buffering. Sometimes an overloaded Kodi streaming cache is the culprit. By default, Kodi's memory size in the caching settings is 20 MB, but expanding this could help things run more smoothly. So here's how it is tested here. Make sure to follow these steps. So second method is to use a VPN to prevent ISP throttling. So a secure VPN can help prevent buffering caused by ISP bandwidth throttling. You can try NordVPN or try any free VPN available. So the third one is to get Real the Breed. So it's a paid downloader software that enhances the Kodi experience by speeding up the file downloading process and letting you stream from HD links. Here's the steps. Make sure to follow it if you want to use Real the Breed. So the fourth one is to reduce the HQ scalar percentage. If your Kodi stream is stuttering, reduce the HQ scalar percentage by doing these settings. So there's a picture in here to guide you. And then last is to clear your Kodi cache. So certain Kodi add-ons like the crew come with maintenance tools that let you clear your Kodi cache. So here's how. Follow this step-by-step guide, and that's it.